Avocado has become a staple for many individuals wanting to improve their overall health. Whether consumed on its own, added to different recipes, or included in your favorite smoothies, avocado's popularity cannot be denied, and for good reason. It is loaded with important nutrients, contains healthy fats, and can help to prevent different types of disease, such as heart disease. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming avocado. First, avocado is incredibly nutritious and nutrient-dense. Just a little bit of avocado can go a long way in adding important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to your diet. It is a great source of vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, pantothenic acid, and vitamin B6, among many others. Avocado is also rich in dietary fiber, monounsaturated fatty acids, and antioxidant compounds. Avocados are also extremely heart healthy and can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease a number of important ways. Avocados are unique in that they contain a monounsaturated fatty acid compound known as oleic acid. Oleic acid has been found to reduce inflammation, which can damage the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of avocado can also significantly reduce cholesterol levels, decrease bad LDL cholesterol, raise good HDL cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides in the blood. The many different nutrients in avocado, such as potassium, are also helpful in this regard. Regular consumption of avocados can also help to promote proper digestion and improve overall digestive functioning. This is often attributed to its high levels of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The great levels of fiber can help good bacteria in the gut and intestines to thrive, which can help with digestive health and gut health. The fiber in avocados can also help to reduce symptoms associated with constipation, bloating, and gas. They can also help to protect the overall health of the eyes due to their powerful and potent antioxidants. Avocados are a tremendous source of eye-healthy antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoid compounds that are vital for eye health. Studies have also shown that the eye-healthy compounds in avocados can help to significantly reduce eye-related ailments, such as cataracts and macular degeneration, especially as we get older. Lastly, by consuming avocados in moderation, it can help to promote weight loss and healthy weight management. In fact, avocados are considered to be a weight loss friendly food. This is because avocados can help us to feel more full longer and more satisfied after a meal, which can reduce snacking and overeating during the day. The fiber in avocados can help to increase satiety as well and are nutrient dense, which is important for anyone reducing calories or following a workout routine. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.